Okay, let us take a look onto the bootstrapping of the application. Because with the new approach of standalone components, you has to bootstrap your application to be really module free. First of all, we will go through the benefits or the reasons, and then we will quickly take a look on this bootstrapping the application. Okay, here we have a few reasons. First of all, as I said, we want to prevent modules. Secondly, with this approach, you can make conditional configurations. That means you can make some providers that you want to have in the development, but not in the production. That means it's kind of like a possibility to make some condition or conditionally provides. Then with this approach, you don't have the problem anymore that when you lazy load modules, you have to provide, for example, the HTTP client module again and again, because each module defining the environment where a component is living. With the standalone components, you have now the problem that if you would make every component be a standalone, that you have to provide in every component the, for example, HTTP client, and with this bootstrapping, you can provide specific modules like app scoped and not like component scoped. And of course, as always, we want to have a better optimized application, and with this, it's better optimized from Angular. Here we have the main TS and the app config TS from our application from scratch. As example, on the main TS, we have like the Bootstrap application function, and here we're providing an app config. We also like providing here the initial component. In our case, it's the app component. And this provided app config you can see on the right side. It is an object with the type application config that only contains providers. As you can see now, it's a little different than in the app module, because here you're calling functions like provide router or provide animation async or provide HTTP client, and all of them are functions that come from the libraries to make this provisioning app-wise. Sometimes you will come to points where the library not has this option at the moment because it's not adjusted for Angular 17 and 18. And here you can like make an import providers from. That's a function that comes from Angular. And here you can then like use the library module dot for root if that is like the way the library works, and then you can also provide that service. This application config is kind of like the replacement for the app module. You providing here some services or inject tokens or whatsoever that get provided over the whole application. Ready to learn Angular 19, 20 and 21. This course covers everything new in these latest versions. From hydration, event replay, resource API, signal forms, we cover it all. You will get a complete playground app showcasing all features. Plus, we will build a weather app from scratch to implement everything hands-on. Full source code for both projects included. Check the link in the description.